Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Dodge Ram 2500 key fob. We'll cover the two main methods, self-programming and professional assistance. Understanding which method applies to your vehicle is crucial. We'll also discuss essential preparations to ensure a smooth process, whether you have an existing working key or need to program a brand new one. This guide will help you navigate the steps effectively and efficiently, saving you time and potential frustration. If you possess at least one working key, some older Ram models allow for a simple self-programming procedure. First, enter your truck and lock the door using your existing key fob within 10 seconds. Next, insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the run position, and press the unlock button. Then press the panic and unlock buttons together, releasing both simultaneously. Repeat with the lock and unlock buttons, then press unlock one more time. Your new key fob should now be recognized. For many newer Dodge Ram 2500 trucks, or if you've unfortunately lost all your key fobs, professional programming is typically required. These vehicles often utilize advanced security systems that necessitate specialized diagnostic equipment. A certified automotive locksmith or a dealership service department can connect to your truck's computer to program new key fobs accurately. This ensures proper synchronization and functionality, providing you with reliable keyless entry and ignition. Expect a service fee for this specialized procedure. Before attempting any programming, always confirm your new key fob is fully compatible with your specific Ram 2500 model. It is also wise to check that the key fob's battery is fresh and fully charged. When programming, remember to include all key fobs, both old and new, in the same session to ensure they all function correctly. Finally, always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for any unique or additional instructions pertinent to your truck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.